May I learn?
اجازه دارم.
Persian Farsi polite permission. Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Ready to sound super polite in Persian? Today you'll master the magic key for permission.
اجازه دارم.
It's short, powerful, and polite, like a ninja with perfect manners. Your learning goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll confidently ask for permission in everyday situations. Core phrase.
اجازه دارم.
Equals may I. Use it to sit, enter, borrow, or speak, anytime you want to be respectful. Add a super polite sprinkle with
لطفاً.
please. Example.
لطفاً اجازه دارم.
Forms and nuance. Let's keep it clear, permission versus ability matters. Permission, polite.
اجازه دارم.
Best default. Ability, can I.
می توانم.
Focuses on ability, not courtesy. Is it possible?
می شود.
Neutral, like, is it doable? Extra polite add-on.
لطفاً.
Negative twist.
اجازه ندارم.
May I not, rare, but good to recognize. Quick examples. May I sit here?
اجازه دارم اینجا بنشینم.
May I borrow your pen?
اجازه دارم خودکارت را قرض بگیرم.
May I enter now?
اجازه دارم الان وارد بشوم.
Mini dialogue. Listen in and then repeat with confidence. A. Excuse me, may I enter now? B. Sure, say it in Persian. A.
اجازه دارم الان وارد بشوم.
B.
بفرمایید.
Come in, please. Narrator. Level up tip. Add, please.
لطفاً اجازه دارم.
Comedy break. A cat sits on your laptop. You ask politely.
اجازه دارم.
The cat. No, I type now. Pronunciation and rhythm. Say it with a friendly tone and a smile. Chunk it like music. E-ya-z, da-ram.
اجازه.
Permission, plus.
دارم.
I have. Tip. EJ's, sounds like, a jaw says, a jaw that always asks first. Quick drills. You speak, I'll cue you with situations. Drill 1, seat on the metro. Say, may I sit here? Model.
اجازه دارم اینجا بنشینم.
Drill 2, borrow a pen. Say, may I borrow your pen? Model.
اجازه دارم خودکارت را قرض بگیرم.
Drill 3, at a door. Say, may I enter now? Model.
اجازه دارم الان وارد بشوم.
Speed switch, ability versus permission. Change to, can I, using.
می توانم.
Now switch back to permission with.
اجازه دارم.
Culture tip. A tiny gesture adds a lot of politeness. In Persian culture, courtesy matters. Place your right hand on your chest, smile, and ask.
اجازه دارم.
Add.
لطفاً.
When appropriate, and you'll get more nods and smiles, plus more delicious tea. Quiz time. Let's lock it in with a quick quiz. Q1. What Persian phrase means, may I? A.
اجازه دارم.
Q2. True or false?
می توانم.
Is the most polite way to ask permission. A. False. Use.
اجازه دارم.
Q3. Fill the blank with, please, blank.
اجازه دارم اینجا بنشینم.
A.
لطفاً.
Q4. You hear EJ's Daram. What does it mean? A. May I? Final challenge. Time to be the permission hero. Your superpower is politeness. Scenario 1. Library computer. Ask politely in Persian. Model.
اجازه دارم از این کامپیوتر استفاده کنم.
Scenario 2. Meeting. Ask, may I speak now? Model.
اجازه دارم الان حرف بزنم.
Scenario 3. Cafe table. Ask to join someone's table. Model.
اجازه دارم به میز شما ملحق شوم.
Remember, if someone says,
بفرمایید.
that's a warm green light. Outro. Nice work today. You leveled up your politeness in Persian. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
اجازه دارم.
In real life, and notice the smiles you get. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and fun challenges. See you next time.